It's obviously TheGracieLynn, and I'm starting to lose my voice, so please take it easy on me. And I went on my YouTube account, and I saw that my most popular video was my Latch hook rug video. And right now it has 21,534 views. So thank you to all those people that watched the video. And so I decided to show you all my latch hooks and my progress that I've made. So the one I did in that video was a tie-dye swirl, or like a rainbow swirl. And that was actually my second latch hook rug that I have ever made. And my first one is this one. It's a panda. It's very cute. This only took me one day to do, and this was my first one. I had never seen a latch hook rug or anything. So yeah. And then the one that I was doing in the video was my very second. And here it is completed. Let me show you. And if you didn't realize, it's a bit like tall. That's because I made it into a pillow. See? Like, it's got the blue fabric underneath and it's nice and stuffed. So yeah, and it's a very comfy pillow. I love to lay on it. So, let me see. Yeah. So that's that one. And then the one I made after that was this one. This one, it's a happy face with a heart and a rainbow. And this was my mom's, but then she started the rainbow. And then she quit, and she told me I could do it. So, I did. And then, I had this one. And it has rainbow flowers on it. Let me show you better. View that. Okay. So yeah. And this was the one I did after that one. And my last one, and most recent one, I just finished it yesterday. It's very pretty. And it took me since sorry, that probably sounds disgusting, but I have to do it. Okay, I'm sorry. That probably sounds really bad. So yeah, I got it in November 2011, and the thing is that I started it and then I never got back into it until yesterday. So it's this one. It is a puppy. It's laying in the grass. I think it's very cute. Man, I sound like Justin Bieber is going through puberty. Okay. That's better. Now I feel like alright. Well, you can see that it's very pretty. But the thing is that when I did this, I had lost like tons of the pieces, so I had to improvise. Like you can see up here, I used more of yellow instead of like the calmer colors here. But I took that as kind of like maybe the sun beaming down at it like that. So And then for the flowers, they're all really supposed to be different sizes. And the clouds are supposed to be higher and the sky is supposed to be higher. But the thing is, I didn't have enough light blue, so I had to make a sunset setting. And you can see the like extra blue there that I had to fill in, but I wasn't able to because I didn't have enough pieces. But you know, I still think it came out pretty cool. I love it. And I think I'm gonna turn this one into a pillow too. You know, like a pillow where you can set it up like that, but you can also turn it like sideways like this. I could also use it for just a normal rug, but this is too nice to use as a normal rug. So yeah, and my next latch hook rug. I don't know. I asked my mom if I could go to Michael's after I cleaned my room. So I would say maybe about a day from now, maybe. So yeah, I'll see you later.